Hi, I'm Ava and it's the summer before my 7th grade year. I am so excited to do my 2nd year in a row for Aim High. They just sent me my supply box, so I'm so excited to unbox it for you guys. Wow, this is overflowing with stuff. Let's see what we got. The first thing we have is a thermometer. Now we have a mixing art palette, some highlighters, a roll of twine, lots of craft sticks, some acrylic paint, the book Fresh Ink, green composition notebook, some really nice pencils, some colored pencils, old index cards. Then we have a canvas, lots of paintbrushes, different sizes too, a dry erase learning board, a packet of construction paper, some sidewalk chalk, an Aim High water bottle. Now we have some pipe cleaners, a ruler, a bag of rubber bands, a tape measure, regular tape, some sticky notes, dry eraser, 2 ping pong balls, some glue sticks, a pencil sharpener, a pen, a really cute mini hand sanitizer, an eraser, a dry erase marker, a gray Aim High mask, and lastly they gave me a really nice note that explains everything that's in the box. Thanks Aim High, I'm so excited, we're gonna have a great summer.